Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And yesterday I did a video to show somebody how to use Font Manager. I'm pretty sure Font Manager started in Corel X8. And the advantages of the Font Manager is pretty powerful. Without it, you click on this word and then you go to your fonts and you change your fonts one at a time, or you can even cursor down, with your arrow keys, and you can look what that font looks like in each of the different fonts that you have loaded on your computer. And not only you've got to do that, you've got to make sure it's not in the way of this window so you can see it. You've got to move some things around. So to open up Font Manager, just go to your launch and open up Font Manager. It'll open up like this. I've typed out the word epilogue, and these are my fonts. So I can just scroll through here and see epilogue, what it's going to look like in that font. And then another thing I like about it, because you can type in any word here, see what Doug would look like in a rope pattern. You can search fonts, just get close to Arial. And there's like Arial normal. Well, let's see, where's normal? And then you could just click on it, and right here, you can show font properties, and you open up this window, and this is where it's really powerful. Arial has some symbols built into it, but they're all over the scale. So if you want to look at the symbols, all you have to do is check that box, and here's all your symbols. If you want to look at just arrows that it has, there's typable arrows, currency, mathematical symbols. So you can, now if a font doesn't have symbols, I think this won't show up. Let's just try that. Let's find something that might not have a symbol. I would think maybe this rope one does it, but it shows it does, but it doesn't. I was thinking it wouldn't even hide it. So it does have some punctuation, but it doesn't have any symbols. But it can, show you what a font would have. It doesn't have any currency. I was thinking these wouldn't even show up if it didn't have it. This is a pretty neat rope font that I got years ago from DA Fonts probably. But you can see what the word that you want is going to look like in that font. So much easier. Let's pick this font and look at all this. See if it category. There's symbols, but it's got all these paw prints, and these are vector, graphics that you use. You could get that one particularly off DA Fonts. So think about next time if you have X8 or above to launch Font Manager and see what it looks like. It's just right here underneath your launch, the same place you would launch Corel Phono Paint is Corel Font Manager. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.